Well, hello my dear friends, thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Vish and you're watching Vish the Weekender. Alright, so as you guys all know that I have bought this Xpulse 200 bike a few months ago. So I'm slowly upgrading the necessary parts on this bike as when I feel there is a requirement. So you have seen in the past videos that I have upgraded the seat on this bike because I felt it wasn't comfortable for long rides and all. So you can find that video by clicking the link at the top here. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to have the handlebar raisers on this bike so that I can increase the height. So the reason why I'm getting the handlebar raiser installed because I had this experience of leaning forward when I'm saddling on this bike, so I felt that handlebar should be raised more towards me when I stand so that I don't have to lean. And in fact, as I have upgraded the seat, the height on the seat has considerably increased. So I felt like I am leaning towards the handle just a little bit. To avoid that, I'm going to have the handlebar raisers installed on this bike today. Alright, so let's go. And giving you guys an update about my future travels. Before this lockdown in 2021, I had a plan of 1,000 kilometers round trip. It included riding through the Nalamala forest and then visiting a waterfall there. Afterwards, riding much more deeper into the Nalamala forest and then go visit another waterfall there, and then from there check out the caves. I'm not going to reveal the names at this point of time, but as the lockdown hit the state, or in fact the entire country, so I had to postpone that. But let's see how things will go. But I'm definitely going to go on a 1,000 kilometers round trip. Now only 1,000 kilometers this time, because since it's been a very long time I rode my bike for longer distances. So just wanted to see how things will work out when riding longer distances. But when I rode like 200 kilometers, I felt okay. There weren't many problems. So the showroom to have the handlebar raisers increased on this bike is quite near. So to talk about these handlebar raisers, it's the part of Xpulse Rally Kit. So I've gone with the Hero genuine parts instead of buying it in the market. So let's see how it is going to work. Alright, after installing the handlebar raisers, I'm going on a test ride to see how comfortable the handle is now. So I can feel the handle has obviously raised towards me, and my hands are in a comfortable position at this point of time. Man, this bike is a kick. Okay, right now I'm standing on my bike, and so I no more struggle to reach towards the handlebar. Alright, this is great. I think my decision to go with the handlebar razors was right. Alright, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel, ring that bell, and watch my other videos as well. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.